Hi, I'm Zhena, founder and master tea blender at clubmagichour.com. What are hibiscus tea benefits? Hibiscus tea is amazing. It's a beautiful flower. This is a double hibiscus from my yard. You can make tea with the flowers or you can buy hibiscus tea. And we have a ton of different hibiscus tea blends, which I'll get into in a second. But hibiscus is super high in antioxidants. It's amazing for helping lower blood pressure. It's great for cleansing fat out of your blood, which just sounds gross, but it's bad for your arteries. It promotes liver health and it also promotes weight loss because when you're taking care of your liver, weight loss comes more naturally. And it's also antibacterial. So what teas have hibiscus in them at Magic Hour? We've got pink tourmaline, we've got our best-selling Ruby Moon. This is almost half hibiscus and this has elderberry in it too. This is super, super, super yummy adult Kool-Aid. We've got symbiosis, we've got amethyst, we've got garnet, we've got joyous and others. So we have a ton of hibiscus tea at Magic Hour and we hope that you will come join us and sip to your health. See you there.